Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Building a Hybrid Search System, Combining LLMs and Vector Databases. Imagine searching for a recipe. Traditional search engines find things based on keywords. But what if you want a vegetarian pasta dish using only seasonal ingredients? That's where hybrid search comes in. We combine the power of large language models, LLMs, like a super smart assistant, with vector databases, like a super organized recipe book, to find exactly what you're looking for. Think of an LLM as a really smart parrot that has read every cookbook ever written. It understands the meaning of words and can answer your questions in a natural way. We'll use it to understand the asterisk meaning of your search query. Imagine a library where each book is represented as a point in space, with similar books closer together. That's a vector database. We'll store our recipes here, organized by their ingredients, flavors, and cooking times. We need to translate our recipes, text, into these points in space, vectors. We'll use special AI techniques to do this. Think of it like creating a detailed fingerprint for each recipe based on its ingredients. 1. You ask the LLM to understand your query and refine it. 2. The LLM translates the refined query into a vector. 3. The vector database finds the closest recipe vectors to this query vector. 4. The most similar recipes are returned. We'll use Python libraries like LangChain and FAISS to build a basic system. I'll show you the code and explain each part step by step. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. We'll briefly discuss more sophisticated techniques, such as using different embedding models and optimizing the search process for speed and accuracy. This is just the beginning of the world of hybrid search. Let's answer your questions about building your own hybrid search engine. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.